Welcome back. Now, another part of the security system is that you have an IP blocker. And basically, if we go inside of this link, cPanel will give us the opportunity to block a specific IP address or a range of IP addresses if we know that they are visiting our site and they could possibly be doing something that we don't want them to do. In addition to that, we may have some business relationship that we just do not want accessing a particular site. And if that's the case, we can then add that IP address here in this dialog box. Now, this is going to be a case where you may want to look up the IP address just to make sure that you have the right one and that you are going to be blocking the right range. Finally, now in the security system, you also have leech protection. And leech protection has a direct relationship with the directory privacy link inside of the file section. Now, if we've already password protected a particular directory, we can then make sure that the individuals that have that password cannot pass it out to anyone else. So once we've issued credentials for a particular login and password, we can specify the number of logins that that person can have. And then if they go over the number, we can then specify that they can go to a URL where they'll find out a little more about why they were blocked. We can then have an email sent to us so that we'll know that someone has been blocked. And finally, we can do a system generated disabling of the compromised account. Again, this should be a direct relationship between what you did in directory privacy, where we would have already gone to make sure that we have given a login and password to the particular directory that we're going to be protecting. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.